How to fix Messenger chat bubble hits not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Messenger chat bubbles hit not working. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here let's start with the step 1, that is to turn on chat bubbles in Messenger. So here simply open the Messenger app, and now here once you're inside, just tap on the menu icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here once you are in the menu section, then what you can do is just tap on settings. And now here once you're inside the settings, you can simply scroll down, and there you'll see the option labeled as chat hits. So simply toggle on that option, and here if this option is off, then bubbles won't show at all. And with that, moving forward to the step number 2, that is to allow a peer on top permission. So here what you can do is simply open the phone settings. And now here once you're inside the settings, what you can do is simply scroll down and tap on apps. Now here in this section, just tap on manage apps, and after that you can simply search for the Messenger app and tap on it. And now here once you're inside the Messenger app, then what you can do is simply tap on other permissions, and now here in this section you can just tap on this option labeled as display pop-up windows while running in background. And here you can simply select always allow, and with that you can also tap on display pop-up window, and here you can always tap on always allow option. And once you do that, it will give required permissions for the chat to float as a chat bubbles in your device. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to check the notification settings. So here you can again go to the settings, and from there you can just tap on apps, manage apps, and again you can simply tap on Messenger. And here once you're inside the Messenger, what you can do is simply scroll down and tap on notification. And now here in this section, make sure that the notifications are enabled. And here you can also tap on chats option, and here also make sure that all the options are enabled. And with that, moving forward to the step number 4, that is to restart Messenger and phone. So here what you can do is you can close the Messenger app completely, and after that you can simply restart your phone, and once you're done restarting it, you can simply open the Messenger and test again. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to update the Messenger. So here simply open the Play Store, and here once you're inside it, you can simply search for the Messenger app and update the app if any update is available there on Play Store, because bugs in older version can often break the chat bubbles. And with that, moving forward to the step number 6, that is to clear the Messenger cache. So here simply long press on the app icon, and now here from the pop-up menu just tap on app info. And now here once you're inside the app settings page, you simply have to tap on clear data option shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu just tap on clear cache and confirm it by tapping on OK. And once you do that, it will clear all the temporary glitches on your app. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.